Welcome. If you want to change lock screen wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy A20e, at first you have to open the settings on your smartphone. Next you have to simply go for the wallpaper. And when you're here, we get preview of our two wallpapers on the home screen and the lock screen. So if you want to change any of them, you have to choose a wallpaper from your gallery, wallpaper services, or your wallpapers that you can actually find in your smartphone. You can decide. I'm going to pick my wallpapers from the device, so we can find here default wallpapers. And I would like to pick, for example, this wallpaper. Select lock screen. It's small preview how it's going to look when you tap to set on the lock screen. So let's make it right now. We want to get it. Lock your device, unlock, and there it is. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.